Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a macro photo with Motorola ThinkPhone. And to do this you'll need to open the camera, go for the photo mode and enter the macro by pressing on this button right here. Now you can click on I for some more information about the macro mode. It says that macro mode helps you take detailed photos of subjects or as close as 1.0 inches away from the lens. So I would suggest to put your phone about 3 or 4 centimeters from the object that you want to take the photo of. In this case there's this logo, and make sure that you have very good light as well. As you can see in the darker part it doesn't have a good quality, but where the light reaches the quality is quite nice. Now click on the shutter when you're ready, and as you can see we just made a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.